Stories that prove said DUPPY real. A woman's 14-month-old daughter looks at the window every night and waves, as if there's someone there. A patient always asked his nurse if she heard the baby crying in his room. That was a strange coincidence, because the previous resident who lived in that very same room also once asked the same nurse if she heard a baby crying. One night, a male patient asked his nurse if she can ask the Chinese lady to stop disturbing him.
Follow Jamaican true story.
And asking him if he wants to drink beer or not. He said that she is standing there, and she should ask her if she is cold or not. He was pointing at the window, but they were on the 8th floor. One night a woman was changing her granny, and she'd always say, "Can you ask those two young men to step out until we're done?" Granny insisted, and the woman couldn't start until she said, "Hey guys, can you step out for a minute?" There was an old lady who always talked to the ceiling, and her caretaker always thought that she was talking to her. Turns out she was talking to a little girl that was wearing a pretty white dress, that wanted the nurse to leave. At one point, after 1 hour giving birth, a woman was transferred to a ward. The nurse warned her not to drop her blood. Close the curtain if she see or hear anything. She and another mother beside her. One of them sneezed and got few drops of blood on the floor. Suddenly they heard a woman crying and then laughing. There was a white thingy flying outside. The two new mothers went to close the curtain so fast, despite the pain they were feeling.
Check out the playlist below for more.